So for everyone that was wondering, I'm Lucian, Pure Prints 3D, and I just want to give you guys kind of a story and who I am and where I came from and how I got into 3D printing. So I started out getting an Ender 3 as a gift, and it sat for 2 years, and I didn't do anything with it. I started printing with it and realizing that it was a lot of fun and I could do a lot of really cool things with it. And then it grew from there. The Ender could only do so much, so we upgraded to the Bambu Labs P1S. And from there, it took off like crazy. So let me flip this around and show you what we've got in our little print lab, as I like to call it, and show you guys what we work with every day. So this was what we upgraded to, the original P1S here. It did not have the Bambu Lab riser, it was just the printer and the AMS without the Sunlu piece. And slowly we progressed in building this one out, and we picked up a P1P off of Marketplace, and we got an AMS for it and printed another riser for it. These risers actually help keep that PTFE tube from dragging across the top glass, and allows it to vent if you were to put a full enclosure on it, which we did. We printed enclosure pieces for it, and then we picked up a second P1P for a great deal, and we printed a riser for that. And this one we picked up with an AMS and did the same thing, printed that riser, printed all the accessories for it, and we'll be putting a door on this one here. After that, we then went and picked up an H2D, which is their dual nozzle printer, and this thing's absolutely awesome. It cranks. We printed a riser to hold both AMSs because we picked up a second AMS for it. And then after we got that one taken care of and paid off, we upgraded and got Bambu's newest, latest, and greatest, the Bambu Lab H2C with the Vortex system. This thing is amazing. It's a little pricey, but it will save you time and filament. I'm absolutely loving this printer. It's amazing. And we have one more printer to show off here. It's in the back of the shop, so let me flip this around and show you. So I have a friend named Chris, or Blazing Prince, and he turned me on to this Ender 5 Max. This thing is absolutely massive, 400 by 400 by 400, and I print a lot of my cosplay stuff on this. Helmets, armor pieces, or really big prints that I need to run, I can print on this printer. It's absolutely phenomenal. It does not come enclosed. I did buy the enclosure for it, but this thing is absolutely massive. You can print almost anything on this. I love this printer. It does wonderful job. It is only a single color printer, so most of my cosplay stuff I will post process, Bondo, sand, paint, or primer and paint. So yeah, if you guys are really looking to get into this, if you have questions, hit me up, let me know. Now let's flip you around and show you the whole shop. Right here I've got some overstock filament. These are some bamboo spools and some random spools. I've got a little shipping station here where I keep most of my boxes and bags. As we pan around, I've got some of the things that I've created here, like this Chester Cheeto Hue Forge. This was all done up in Newmakers filament, which is my primary filament that I use. Absolutely amazing filament. This here was a custom design that we did for a client that wanted something done. These are some of my custom RuneScape designs. As we pan over, we've got our Sunlu dryer. I've got some Sunlu filament here and some West 3D Ambrosia filament. I've got some of the models here that I've worked on, like my Cyberpunk Joker masks, my Gambit. There's a Harley Quinn dragon here. This is something that I just did recently on the H2C, a 4-day print Darth Maul Mempho mask. I've got some more of my PLA and PA designs that I've printed up here. These are awesome. If you haven't heard of PLA and PA and you're a 3D printer and you like Mario mashups, go check out PLA and PA. Here's some more. These are Turtle Shell Nintendo Switch game holders. We've got our guy Toad here. Here's some more. I've got the Chill Mario, Chill Luigi, and the Shy Guy. Just some random little models here that I've printed. I did a remix of this Mario Charizard. It was not colored, so I fully colored it in the slicer, and you can find that on Maker World. I've got some helmets here that I've done and some other designs. This helmet here was my very first helmet, printed on the P1S in parts, put together, and it's fully wearable, guys. This was my very first Cyberpunk Joker mask. I've got a Ninja Turtle shell from PLA and PAE that I've done. I've got some Zorby flexible balls. And here's some of the stuff I've been working on recently, which are these three-dimensional Pokemon cards and game cartridges from the original Game Boy series. Absolutely phenomenal. So again, guys, I'm Pure Prince 3D. This is the lab. This is where we do our work. I do have a community group called the Spooligans. If you're interested, hit me up and I can get you guys in the Discord. It's a great place, respectful place, no gatekeeping, no drama. And hit me up. I'll send you a link. And remember, send it